Draw a parrot from number 123. First write number 1, write number 2 for the wings. Write number 3 for the body. Write a letter Z. Draw a circle for the eyes. Draw 3 curves for the beak. Draw petals for the tail. Draw curves for the legs and toes. Draw a number 3 and a dash on the wings and you're done. If you find it interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.